I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape.
Hey guys, so we toured today Pacific Beach here in San Diego, and I found this beautiful property listed just now for $7 million. It is a 6-bed, 6-bath here in Pacific Beach. Let's go check it out. So fun fact about this property and all the properties around, if you want to show them, but all of these homes over here have been bought in the past couple of months and years, and right now all these homes are custom made to all the specific buyers, and this home alone has 2 stories and all the other side homes here have only 1 story per rules. But I'm gonna show you this property right now. Door open for you. Of course, you have the grand entrance, stairmaster that's basically floating. And as you walk in, there's somebody on that right now, but I'm going to show you the ADU. And they call it the James Bond ADU. So it's kind of hidden, you can't really see it, but this is the ADU that you could basically close it off. You have the bathroom here. Very updated. Again, this is a new construction property and there's going to be more homes for sale in this area in PB. You have the washer and dryer separate in the ADU, and then you have the bedroom here with an easy outdoor access with a closet, of course. Very pretty. I'm very surprised. And then of course you have the kitchen and the living area, and I'll tell you this ADU does not feel very small. Even the appliances that they use are very expensive and high-end. Of course, in a $7 million it makes sense, but the fact that they have a hidden ADU in here is just remarkable.
That fridge is beautiful.
That fridge is beautiful, right? Of course, you have the cabinets, you have plenty of storage, you have the sink over there. So it's not an ADU without a kitchen. It does have a kitchen. Kind of feels really big. Just this alone, if you put it in San Diego, it will be a couple million bucks. And then you have the outdoor area, which I will show you guys right now. Come out to your private balcony area with where you have the water coming out. And when it's raining, it has rained a lot in the past couple of days. You have a couple of ACs outside. Very quiet, very secluded. And you're not too close to your neighbors. Turf here for easy cleaning. I love turf. If I can remove that from real glass, I would do that any day. So this is the ADU on the first floor. I'm gonna show you the first bedroom in this area. Just look at this. Look, this is your grand opening, your grand entrance for your property. And then the bedroom. No, actually, this is a wash room. So you have a washer and a dryer with a sink, and I love the finishes that it shows. The black really makes it masculine and just pop a little bit more. And what I was really surprised is the garage is actually pretty big, and it looks so clean. So whenever you come and park into the property, you have a rest area where you can take off your shoes. It's the small things that make the difference. But right here, this is a big and a large garage. If you don't need a garage, you can even, if you have a YouTube channel, you could create this a podcast area where you can do a podcast, even open up the garage and have the view. I think that'll be great for people that are making content. So we're gonna head out to the living area on the first floor. I like how they just changed the colors between the white and just the darker colors. It is currently staged. It is beautifully staged. You have the second bedroom on the first floor right here with a view of the outside. All the windows are upgraded. And here they chose also a masculine color, but you can show them black and white and gray. I think it looks great together. And then you have the open area which could be the living area on the first floor. You can host here, you can have parties here, or you can just have the kids play around. The floors are actually pretty nice. I don't know what kind of material this is, but I would say that this is hardwood. It looks like it. And then this is our third bedroom on the first floor. So you have at least 3. I think we might have another one over here. And then for this bathroom, the finishes are different. So it's more gold and blue, darker blue. I think it looks different. And they chose really nice appliances too. Wow. Okay. Do you like the gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. Okay, let's keep going. So this is the third bedroom. And then our fourth and last bedroom on the first floor is facing the pool. So you do have the pool access. Wow, that is beautiful, especially with the art. And then you have a very similar bathroom over here to the one that we just saw, with gold accents, white cabinets, and then the bathroom itself, very similar to the gold that we just saw. Of course, you have the sitting area, and I like how they just made it disappear. If the water comes down, you don't really see that. This is the high-end luxury homes that they have it in, which means that when the water comes down, they're trying to make it as smooth and as easy for the people to use, so it won't look like it's going somewhere. And of course, you have the pool area, which we'll show you right now, but you have the video of the jacuzzi, so if you want to just jump into the hot tub real quick and then come back and take a nap, you can do that. And we're going to show you the pool area right now, all of it. What's this? Oh, okay, that's for like the building. Okay, let's keep going. From the first floor living area, we're going to go to the pool. It is not the biggest pool, but I think for the property size, it's a perfect size because you have the hot tub on one side and the pool on the other side with, let me show you, with walking area in the pool. So right here, I love the details here. And then I'll show you how I disappear in 2 seconds. Oi. I messed up. There's so much water here. So if you, I think this is a like a bonfire area where you can just light up the fire, but this is a pretty nice area to just bring. I think the kids would love it here. So this is perfect for the kids to just lay around, play, enjoy while you and your family are here in the water looking at the kids, or maybe you're sitting here and watching the kids over here. So you have the sun throughout most of the day, and if you are liking to go to the pool, this would be the perfect area because you're gonna get the sun throughout most of the day, and it's not gonna be too cold or too chilly. It's not gonna be a dark area. It's gonna be a very light and a very warm area, especially in the summer here in San Diego. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the kitchen area, the master, and bonus area is the outdoor patio on the 3rd floor. Okay, so we're on the 2nd floor. I'm gonna show you the master first. More storage. Before I show you the view, I'm going to show you the shower and the bathroom in the master, where you can walk in, have 2 shower heads coming down, and then multiple other ones. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Of course, you have the bathtub here with the gold accents and finishes. And I just noticed, but if you go right there, here, let me show you. If you go right here, and let's say you're showering, you have a view of the beach. So that's something that not all the houses here in the area have. You have double sinks here, his and hers, which is the standard in my opinion. There's a vanity over here. I think this is perfect for the wife to do her makeup, take care of her. When the kids are running around, she can put some makeup on and make the husband take care of the kids. This is her relaxing area with some music on. You have the bathroom here, have more closet area. And then what's unique about this property is all of this, you would think this is another bedroom, but actually this is all closet area. So the next owner is gonna personalize their closet area however they would like. You do have another washer and dryer in here in this room. So this whole bedroom, well, it's not a bedroom because it doesn't have any windows, but this is the closet of the master. So you can finish however you would like. And then you also have another area which could be really cute for like a dog or a cat. You could put a TV here and they could just, you know, enjoy the Christmas time. But let me show you the rest of the house. Okay, so this is your master bedroom view. You are on the second floor. And as you walk out, you can see the bay area, the ocean, and then you can also see so the La Jolla areas on the right side,